Hey everyone! Ever thought about turning your smartphone into a money-making machine? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm sharing some killer tips on how you can earn cash on the go. First up, we've got online surveys and gigs. Download apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindel Research. These apps let you complete surveys, watch videos, and even perform small tasks. And guess what? You earn rewards for every activity. It's super easy, and you can do it while chilling at home or even during your commute. Next, let's talk about gig economy apps. Think Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash. If you've got some spare time and a reliable mode of transportation, these apps can help you rake in extra cash. Just sign up, log in, and start accepting gigs. But wait, there's more. If you've got a knack for photography, check out apps like FOAP or IM. You can upload your photos and get paid every time someone licenses them. How cool is that? Remember, the key is to find what works best for you and your schedule, whether it's filling out surveys, driving people around, delivering food, or selling your snaps. There's a money-making opportunity for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start turning your idle time into cash today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome hacks. Catch you in the next one.